Hey there, I'm Erleen Tilton, the Happy Gut Foodie from ErleenTilton.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make an easy hot wings recipe with chicken wings or drumsticks. I think this is the best hot wings recipe because it is a super simple, super tasty hot wing sauce made with my secret sauce, essential oils. Ah, the taste and the benefits are amazing. After watching, make sure you go to the details below and download my Happy Gut Desserts ebook. This hot wing sauce has only 3 ingredients, so it's super simple. It's the method that's important. So today I'm going to make this recipe with 5 medium chicken drumsticks. And in my skillet, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, then add the drumsticks and cook them on both sides. Now, during the process, we're going to add a little bit of salt. And while this is cooking, we are going to make our sauce with 4 minced clove garlic, 4 drops lime essential oil, and 1/3 cup of Louisiana hot sauce. That is it. Stir it together, and now we are going to spoon it over the cooked chicken and allow it to cook through. It is so simple and super tasty. I know you're gonna love it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you go to the description, ask your questions, comment, download my Happy Gut Desserts ebook there, then like and subscribe.